Well guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these crunchy and delicious flaky chips. I already have a flaky chips recipe on my page, but today I'll be showing you how to make these delicious flaky chips without an oven or air fryer. It is very simple. So let's get started. To make these flaky chips, you will need these ingredients: some flour, margarine, sugar, nutmeg, onion, garlic, and some baking powder. Pour the flour into your bowl. The list of ingredients with their quantities will be in the description box, so do well to check it out. Add some nutmeg, add the sugar and baking powder. Next, we will stir our mixture to combine all the ingredients. We will go ahead and grate our onion and garlic. After grating, place the onion and garlic mixture in the fridge. Next, add your cold margarine. We are not using salt in this recipe because the margarine is already salted. So gently rub your margarine into your flour with your fingertips and do not use your palms. You can also use both hands to mix if you prefer. If today is your first time coming across my channel, hello there, I'm Efua and you are welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do me a favor by subscribing and be a part of the family. Thank you. Gently rub your margarine into your flour with your fingertips as I'm doing here, until you have a breadcrumbs consistency like this. Also, you can mold some of the crumbs, and when you're able to break it up like this, it is ready. You can now go ahead and add your grated onion and garlic mixture. The onion and garlic mixture will make our flaky chips taste really good. Next, we will add some chilled water. Add your water in bits. I use about 3 teaspoons of water. Mix everything together as I'm doing here. We want our chips to be flaky, so we are not going to overmix. Overmixing will cause gluten to develop, which will cause our chips to be hard, and we don't want that. So, gently mold your mixture into balls. Guys, kindly like, leave a comment and share the video with your loved ones. And also, if you are yet to subscribe, kindly do so. Wrap your dough in a cling film or rubber. And place it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Next, we will sprinkle some flour onto the chopping board and rolling pin. Place your dough on the chopping board. Go ahead and roll out your dough gently. Since we are making flaky chips, don't put too much pressure when rolling your dough because we do not want to activate the gluten in the flour. Don't roll your dough too thin. It should be a bit thicker, otherwise it will break. And when it goes into the oven, it will easily burn as well. After getting the thickness we want, we'll go ahead and shape our dough. You can use a knife or a crinkle cutter to shape it. Cut them into your desired shapes and sizes. I'll also use this cutter to get these shapes. Line your baking pan with some parchment paper. So guys, we'll bake this set in the oven and bake this on the stove top so that we can compare. Guys, please like the video if you haven't liked it yet. Thank you. So get an old saucepan and pour some salt in there. Next, cover the saucepan and preheat for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the salt is hot. Uncover the saucepan and level the salt. Next, place the pan in there. I'll cover with a napkin and trap in more heat. We'll bake our chips for about 30 to 35 minutes on medium-low heat. After about 35 minutes, our no oven baked chips is ready and it came out so well. Guys, look at how flaky these are. And this is the one we baked in the oven. You can check out this video for the oven baked version. The link is in the description box. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, then check out my Ghanaian meat pie and shortbread recipes. You will love them. The links are in the description box. Will you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. These flaky chips are so delicious. You can make it for your family and guests these holidays and they will enjoy it. Pair it with some chilled sobolo, malt or any drink you prefer and you're good to go. Watch the Ghanaian pastries playlist next. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.